This is Rosita, my beautiful friend, Sabahan, and she's going to tell me about herself, SOP, Kuala Lumpur, all that stuff. Hello, Rosita.
Hello.
We're in front of the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Petronas Tower.
Yeah.
What are you doing in Malaysia?
I'm in Kuala Lumpur now. This very beautiful city. And today I'm working. I'm about to go home now. Even though we have a very strict MCO, so all office is closed, but there's certain essential sector are open, like in banking and insurance, right? But even though we are working, all the staff following the SOP, like scanning our application My Sejahtera, scanning our temperature, like that. So everybody is following, even though in our public transport also. Yes.
So why do you think the number this weekend is 9,000 to 10,000? Why?
Yes, actually the number of the positive COVID is decreasing, but some cluster affected, like from the factory, like that, and then from a variant like that, like yes. But we still following the SOP. We try to reduce the COVID-19.
So I have two big questions for you.
Yeah.
Number one,
Yeah.
what can Malaysia or people do to reduce these numbers?
Yeah. Malaysian people we have to follow the procedure and stay at home and don't go out anywhere. Don't visit your friend and follow all SOP. Yeah. And if you think you are very high risk, don't visit the old people and your family member. Yes.
And what is your suggestion to the Malaysian government?
So I would suggest to the Malaysian government to reduce the...
Excuse me for a minute.
Yeah.
I know you're exercising. Wear your mask, please. People are just...
Actually, when we exercising, if you're alone, we can open our mask. You don't need to...
Okay,
yes.
okay.
If you are alone.
He is alone walking.
Yeah,
but he is not alone with all of us here.
Yeah, but he is alone by himself. If we are working together, then we cannot.
So you don't think it is necessary for people who are walking in these areas to wear masks?
Of course, but if you are exercising alone and you are distancing from people, this is no problem.
Your English is very good.
Yes, thank you.
So tell me about yourself. You are?
I'm a Malaysian. I came from Sabah. It's Borneo, not Borneo. So I'm working here.
Your family, your
My
husband,
family
your children?
and children, everybody in Sabah. I work here. So sometimes I go to Sabah 2 years one time, like that.
Look in the camera.
Yeah.
Tell your children.
Yeah.
Tell your mother. Tell whoever you want back home. Anything you want. Tell them you love it.
Yeah. To all my family in Sabah, I love you all, and we hope all pandemics end, and then we can see each other again.
Rosita, thank you. This is beautiful Rosita. She's working at Kuala Lumpur. We're standing in front of the Surya KLCC. I'm in Kuala Lumpur, and I'll carry on my interviews and we'll come back later and join him. Say mahalo, Rosita.
Hello.
Very nice. With Rosita, I'm going to the next segment. Bye-bye. Still at the KLCC area. Although it is there's a police cruiser. Let me see if I can talk to them. They're running away. They're driving away. I don't know what they said something about. Let me go interview some people. So you see, look at the area here. A lot of cars. They're under strict MCO SOPs. It's a weekend and there are a lot of cars. Look, H&M. Okay, let me go hit another spot. I've got okay. From Surya KLCC, JC, mahalo. See you in the next segment.